Hi, we're back. At it again. I don't know what we're doing right now. We okay. Right now, Dylan's pissing me off. He's gonna be we are going to cross over to the mountains.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm recording, so.
Yeah.
Say hello, Dylan.
Yellow.
Okay, so he's here. And, okay, you're in, so we can start. Well, we're crossing the mountains right now. And, alright, I'm starting it, but it's not working. Okay, thank you. Last episode, got the shotgun. Because, you know, we're like that. Got a laser, got a flashlight. Now, I mean, we don't really need a scope. Like, there's really, I would not like a scope. Because it would be kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Because, like, what's the point of having a scope if you're literally, like, on a shotgun? Like, really? Like, really, what is the point?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here currently making our way to the mountains. I lost them. Because I can't see them because of the trees. Okay, let me try to get to a little clearing real quick. That's nothing. No, that is them. Okay. You in?
Wait, no, I'm about to be.
Okay. I'm just gonna start walking to the mountains. Just doing 453 is connected. Alright. Let me take out the shotgun. I feel a lot safer with that in my hand than a GPS locator and an axe. So
Hey, Ivan, where are you?
I'm just walking towards the mountain. Just follow me.
Oh my god, you're so far away.
I literally walked like 5 inches. I can literally see you, Dylan.
I know, but like, damn, you went far.
I'm gonna shoot you.
No, oh wait, I don't even think you can.
Okay.
But please don't.
Okay, we're so close to the mountain. Let's go. I hope you get into cannibals. I want to shoot them.
Yeah, but the shotgun's the best feature in this game.
I know. It's so much fun to use too. Like, okay, the pistol's fun too, because like you can
Yeah,
just,
but
actually I'm gonna take the pistol out right now. You can have the shotgun, but I like the glizzy.
you're funny holding it though. Like your arms are so far out.
For what, the pistol?
Yeah.
Yeah, like why do you have to hold them all the way out to do that? I'm just walking on the path, so we have to walk. No, but we're not in scooters. Just walk straight to the mountains. I wish I had the scooter, bro. That would make this so much quicker, but
Yeah.
we're basically at the mountains now anyway. So we're...
Oh, I kind of see it.
we're
All right,
almost there.
Wait for me. I'm gonna change my was it?
I'm gonna see if I can make hide armor, like a jacket. I'd have to make 2 of those in the claw. Oh,
All right, I have the flashlight.
I made gloves. So Dylan, from now on, we really have to try to kill moose.
Wait, how did you get gloves?
Gloves?
How did you get it?
Oh no, it wasn't gloves, but it's just like you gotta. I can put creepy armor on. No, it's from killing moose, like, you know, and then you skin them and you get the hide from killing deer and moose, and it might warm it up. I have no idea though. It should. I mean, it's literally full. But we're basically at the mountain. So make sure you have sticks, because it's gonna take a few fires. So like, if just like when you pass.
Wait, I'm gonna check how many sticks I have.
Let me check how many I have too. I have 3.
I have 4.
I thought I had a lot more than 3. Oh no, I collected a ton and then I left the game because my game crashed.
Honestly, just look at the ground.
Yeah, well, it's so much easier to just do that than like hacking away.
Yeah, there's already a whole bunch on the ground.
And you can make a tiny fire with one stick. So
I have too many rocks, so. Alright.
yeah, what do we even use rocks for? Like they're so stupid. Why are they in the game?
I don't
collect
know.
the small pebbles because I have a slingshot, so it's fun to use. Alright, are we going the right way now? I see another moose.
Bro, holding the shotgun feels like you're in a horror game. Feels like you're in Ready or Not.
Yeah. All right, come skin this moose with me so you have the armor.
Wait, you're far. Oh no, I don't.
I'm like right here. Ready?
Wait, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
No armor. But you need 2 hides. It's a lot of meat.
I already have hides.
Okay,
Alright,
wait,
so how do you do? Where are the hides stored in the inventory?
It's
Oh,
like
I
right
see.
by where the where whatever it is. Let's see.
Yeah.
I feel like it gives us 2.
Oh, animal hide.
Oh, it does
alright.
give us 2. Yeah, the moose gives us 2 hides.
And then I need a cloth.
Yeah, which we have plenty of those. Okay, I'm wearing another hide. Technically, I'm full on armor, but I'm pretty sure I could just swap it out for the hide.
Oh, I just released my hide armor. I'm putting. Oh, it's just armor.
No, but I think it warms you up, because who would really wear hide as armor? Where the hell are the mountains?
Do I still have my mask, Ivan?
Yeah, but I lost the mountains, though.
Wait,
Wait, no, I think they're back.
oh my god, you have an animal
I
hat
found
on.
them. Really?
Yeah.
I see another moose. I see 2 other moose.
Is your brightness up?
Brightness is not up. Where'd that moose go? No, don't run. Alright, don't skin that one yet. Alright, now you can skin it.
I say we just go to the mountains. I don't.
Alright, 3, 2,
2.
1. What's this? Oh, I've been here before. This is the cult.
Alright, let's just go to the
Now,
mountain.
yeah, now no more stopping. Let me.
Where are the
Let me
mountains?
make one more animal hide.
Shit. I don't know
Right
where
there,
they
right there.
are.
I know where they are. Okay, we got one more animal hide. Can I even wear
Oh.
it? I can't. I could. I swapped it out for a creepy armor, which is fine. Alright, let's go. They're right up here, I think.
Yeah, I don't see any.
Yeah, I see them. They're right in front of us. I think. Yeah, I see. Oh, I see a big rock formation. I don't know if that's a mountain. I'm gonna assume that it is, because it's usually what big rock formations are. How are we supposed to get up here? If this is even the mountain. Now I'm tripping. Alright, we just gotta walk.
No, it is. It is.
we
We're
just
near the
gotta-
mountain.
We just gotta walk along it until we find
Should we go to this green dot
where?
where Kelvin is?
Oh, another moose. Yeah, actually. I feel like we're just at that one.
I know where to go. I know how to get over this rock thing.
You sure you want to go to that green dot? Because I'm pretty sure we were just there.
We don't need to, I guess. Wait, okay. Are you following me?
Yeah, I just want to put on more high.
Alright.
No, we're not by the mountains yet. There's just a big
No,
hill here.
on the M map we are. Press M.
I know. No, the snow is the mountains.
Yeah, I know, but we're like near it.
But actually, one sec. I'm actually going to check out this green dot by Kelvin. Because I'm pretty sure we didn't check this out. Another moose. Do I really need it? Let it go. Oh my god! Cannibal. Shit, there's a lot of them. Dylan, you're gonna have to be
I
ready to
think
fight
we've
right now.
been here. Yeah, we've been here before.
What is it?
It's the fire axe, I think. There's
Oh,
an
it is. It
open
is.
thing. Yeah, where
Do you
it
not see the tons of cannibals like right there?
No.
Put the M away. Shot his arm.
Okay, I need to
Aim
reload.
for the head.
Well, no, I think I ran out of ammo, or my gun's not working. I think.
Alright, I killed the majority of them. I think we can just run now. There's
Wait,
no
hold up.
point in fighting.
Alright, let's go. Follow me.
Hey, just go up. Okay, we killed them both. See how much ammo do I have left?
Hold
Not
it, I
too
need to
much.
drink an energy drink.
Actually, I should probably just drink something and eat something real quick too. Just so I'm full on stamina. I'm out of MREs. I just drank all my MREs.
Oh, Ivan, I think we just go straight now.
Okay. Get me out of
Oh, you're all the way down there.
this. I'll be
Dan.
up there. I'll be up there in like 5 seconds.
Well, I hear you're using in-game.
Oh, my bad. Okay, yeah, I see where we're going now. I see the top of the mountain, but we gotta get across the mountain. That's the thing. We're not just getting like to it. We have to get across it and over it, which is not an easy task.
I think I know why. We went on the way harder version. We went near the river, remember?
Yeah, that was easier. Now we're
No, it
here.
has a lot more snow. Look on the map.
Oh yeah, now we're kind of just moving upwards. Actually, I don't even know if a scooter would be good for this. Alright, but now this is just a big wall. The river part had more snow, but it was a lot easier to navigate around.
Yeah, I
Like,
guess.
This is literally all just covered by a wall, but I'm pretty sure I just found a way out. I'm praying that I stay warm right now. Okay, I found a way up. It's like literally a steep hill. I'm walking up on the hill.
Just take a while.
How am I walking on this angle? Yeah, make sure you're basically full on stamina because there's gonna be a lot of jumping.
Hold up, wait. I need a drink. I'm gonna eat some ramen.
Okay.
Alright, I'm halfway there, and that's pretty good. Alright. Ivan, I'm talking to my brother too, so like, I might say some stuff and you'll be like, huh?
Okay. Alright, I'm on the rocks now, on the mountain.
Oh,
I'm almost at the snow.
yeah, same. Whoa, I almost fell.
I'm in the snow because I hear it crunching under my feet. Well, in the last game, it was so, like, unnecessarily hard to
Really?
get to the mountains. Yeah. Like, remember we had to do the whole thing where we had to hunt for, like, so many animals to get boar skin.
Oh, that's what you mean.
and
Oh,
deer skin.
because I wasn't there when I went all the way in it.
Yeah, we had to make the jacket and we had to make the snowshoes, and it was so annoying. And it took forever. That's
Whoa,
that's the
oh my God.
majority of the Part 1 series.
I almost dropped down. Oh my
It is
God,
really high up.
Oh shit! Whoa, I can barely see in this night.
Take the flashlight out on the. Well,
I
not the
am. It's still very hot.
I don't really
still-
need the shotgun right now, because there's no cannibals up here.
Oh
There's a
my
lot.
God, I don't.
Oh,
think
I
I'm-
see the river entrance. We're basically right on it.
Can you wait for me? Cause I'm like
Yeah,
fucking
you're really far.
miles away. Yeah, I went up this like weird area. I'm only having the shotgun out because it's a good flashlight.
I hate the shotgun flashlight. It makes it like really bright, but I just have it out just in case. Just in case there is something up here. But you're also down there. Once you get up here, you're not gonna need a flashlight. It's already bright.
Yeah, it's kind of already bright. I'm just gonna put it away. I'm gonna have out my axe. Oh yeah, that's actually a lot nicer.
I see you making it up. I had to put the
Are you cold yet?
not actually. It's kind of
Yeah, not for me. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, that was weird.
Oh well. Oh, they make actual snow tracks. Like in the game, you actually make snow tracks. It's pretty cool. Okay, just follow my tracks. I want to move up a little further.
I can't see my own tracks. Oh no, I
Okay,
kinda.
I'm cold now. I just got
Oh,
good.
wait, I'm literally right here. I'm literally right here. Just stay there.
Okay, well,
I just-
I'm on a really steep
You were
hill now,
cold.
so
I just
I'm
got notification.
slowly-
Oh, you're right there. Oh, I see you. Bro, you're kind of like an ant for me,
That's
because
too
like
steep.
mountain is so big.
No. The cold can't kill you, it just stops your stamina. So honestly, do we really need fires too bad? No. But
No, and my stamina is halfway, so
but I'm basically almost up the mountain.
I'm following your tracks.
There's a little bit of a tricky part. We are gonna have to you're gonna have to just like find a okay, you know what, let me build a fire just in case I do get things ready to it, but I'm pretty sure I don't.
Oh wait, I'm right here.
Alright, come to my fire.
Wait. Hey, Ivan. I don't know what tricky part you were talking about, but
There was a little trick.
I think I went. I don't know. All right,
Okay, now
don't
I'm
go
gonna-
in the fire.
Now I'm gonna drink an energy drink, so I get all of my stamina to full. I'm gonna eat a piece of meat.
I'm gonna have some cereal. They give you a lot of food.
Cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm basically on full stamina, so we can keep going.
Same. Yeah.
Alright, we're probably not gonna be able to go up that, so we gotta go over here. Yeah, I'm cold. I'm cold again. I literally just did everything. It's gonna cold straight again. It's okay. I'm pretty sure we can't die. It's just annoying. The ice on near the screen is annoying.
Yeah, but hey, what are you gonna do? I don't know why I said that.
Okay, we're officially on the other side of the mountain.
Woo!
Oh wait, I'm getting to the top. I have a sled.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure 2 people can go in it.
all right. Put it a little bit more up. I don't want it to just fall down right when you.
I don't know how to use it. Oh god, I'm on it.
Wait,
Okay,
Ivan,
you
no.
can't use it.
Oh, I hurt myself.
Okay. Get me out of the sled. Get me out of the sled. Okay, that was fun. I'm actually gonna keep that equipped because once we get to like the other side of the mountain, I can just slide right down into the forest.
How do you make it?
There's a lot of kit. It's 3D printed.
Oh, I don't know how you can 3D print that, but whatever.
It's at the 3D printer place.
No, I'm saying in like real life, how can you 3D print this way? You know, someone should. I mean, they did 3D print a house, so.
Yeah, I'm a bit of a student. Oh, and my god, the sled does not stop for trees. I just got all the way down here in like 5 seconds. I'm across the river. I'm getting to the other side of the forest.
Why is my cold meat is going down?
Same. I guess we're on a less cold part. No! No!
Oh.
It just sent
You
me
fell
all
down.
the way back
Yeah.
into the wall.
Alright, I am running way too fast. God damn.
Okay, try that again.
Alright. I am.
Take out the GPS right here. Okay, we're basically at the other side. There's a cave right there. I'm pretty sure it holds something, and then across that lake, there's a green dot with a
Whoa,
key card.
whoa. This game is. Why? What's happening? Oh, it's rocked. Oh, I thought it was a tree. Oh.
Alright, slow time.
I'm stuck. Oh.
No, I don't want to go into the river because if I went,
Yeah, I'm stuck down
I
here.
can take this stuff out because I can't see anything. You're stuck?
Yeah, I can't get out. Like,
Where are you?
I'm stuck down here.
Then you gotta go around the mountain because I'm already past it. Oh yeah, I'm in the secondary forest. There's a little cave entrance right here somewhere. I remember this.
This game can't. Oh
Alright, I'm at this cave entrance right now.
Alright, can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll just take the shotgun now because I have a flashlight on, so I can just go in there. I don't think there's anything in there though, like any monsters. Quite far. I'm in the cave. Just
You're in it?
Just to explore
Alright.
around a little bit. I'm pretty sure there's nothing in here.
No, I remember. There's important stuff.
Hey, there's stuff. I just don't think it's anything important.
I remember there was more.
Okay, yeah, there is important stuff. I'm waiting for you. And I see something. Wait, I'm just gonna. It's so much easier. I don't like the flashlight shotgun. I'm just gonna dismantle this. Put that back together with the shotgun rail.
I'm just gonna hold on to my axe. Because it doesn't. It takes a lot. Oh, whoa. I'm falling.
And then I'm also gonna equip my.
Wait, I kind of see the cave entrance right now.
Yeah,
Too.
it's.
I don't actually. I'm near it. It says, but Oh wait, is that it?
The hell is this?
Oh, that. What the hell am I?
The glowing monkey.
A glowing
Shoot!
monkey?
Shoot! Oh, I hit the
Dude,
reload.
we never been here before.
Bro, why can't
No,
I?
have.
Why can't I shoot? It's not letting me shoot.
Yeah, it didn't let me shoot either.
Okay, I'm bouncing. I'm done.
I'm in the cave.
It won't let me shoot, but I'm not out of ammo.
Yeah, it happened to me too. I think it's a glitch.
Alright, well then I guess I have to use an actual weapon. And I gotta put all my fucking creepy armor on. I just got hit
Whoa.
again! I'm trying to put all my creepy armor on and I just got hit. It should be dead, but this one just doesn't want to die. Did this one die already? Thank you. god. Alright, we have to skin all of these because I just lost literally all my creepy armor.
Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, now I have 8.
Now do this
Okay.
one right here.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
And this
then
one.
this
These,
one.
Let me move here.
Alright.
I'm gonna move this one right here. And then
So
so this
3,
one.
2, 1, go.
Alright, now this one here.
I can't carry anymore, so.
Okay, so then I'll just skin this one.
I have canned food, but like.
Obviously,
What?
that's cat food.
Oh.
Yeah, the canned food is cat food. I learned that the hard way. You can eat it, but it doesn't do much. What is this? Look, Dylan, they're dancing.
Wait,
What the fuck was that? Look, they're dancing.
Whoa.
They're dancing. Calabunga, calabunga.
Wait, some guy's doing a dab. Look, the one in the top right corner. Looks like he's doing
This
a
is
dab,
it.
kind of.
Alright, let's go. There's another monkey, bro. Get out of here. Let me dig in.
I cut off his head.
Amazing. I'm actually gonna keep these two as a spare. If there's any more. You see that?
Wait. What is that over there?
Great question. There's something here.
Alright.
What? Okay.
Wait, what is
don't
that?
think we can
Alright.
get there.
Yeah, here. How about we look at the. Oh.
Let's go this way. Oh,
This
it's gold.
thing.
I don't know why it's
Oh.
glowing, but
We can't mine it.
there's tanks. So that means that we're definitely gonna have to go underwater. Yep. I'm so happy that this game puts the rebreather on automatically for you.
Yeah.
I thought that it wouldn't. I have tons of air tanks, so I'm good. And I'm almost out of. I'm nowhere near out of oxygen.
I'm getting to halfway.
Okay, we got some bodies.
Oh, skeletons. Yeah.
And some arms and legs floating around. There's another air tank, and there's a grenade on this guy. I guess that's what that was.
Hold up, I need to craft something.
I just heard something that I don't like. It sounded like a monkey, and it is a monkey. It's not just a monkey, it's a fingers.
Alright,
Okay, does my shotgun want to shoot now? Because I kind of need it. Nope, shotgun does not want to shoot.
I'm using my pistol.
I don't even know if I don't even have ammo on my pistol. I'm gonna tase it.
I ran out of ammo on my.
Where is it? It's still there? Oh my god. Oh, there's another one! Alright, just
I
get
threw
the
a
axe
grenade.
out.
It killed both, I think.
Maybe.
I had to.
That's fine. It's better.
Alright, I don't need the creepy armor, so you can take it.
I can't skin this one from the water. Wherever it is. Where'd it go? Come on, let me skin you.
Oh my god, I just realized Nathan's gonna have to do that all by himself if he ever plays.
Yeah, but is he really ever gonna play?
Nah.
He literally said it himself. He was like, this game sucks. So if he thinks it sucks, then he's probably never gonna play. Alright, let's go. There's two ways. I'm gonna look in this way first because I have a feeling it's just probably just gonna be a dead end. Which it is. It's just babies.
It is? Oh.
There's just like two babies at the end.
Oh, how did they survive in here? Oh my
Are
god.
we gonna have to dive, man?
No, I don't. Nope, I think we have to.
Oh, there's a rope
Yeah.
right here. There's a rope right here.
Oh, there's a baby. Ew. Ew.
Alright, climb the rope.
Oh. Well, I'm running away from the baby. I'm climbing up the. I wonder where this goes.
It
And who
just
put
goes
this
to
here?
another part of the. Oh my
Oh,
god.
is our
Billy.
baby trying
I
to
think
get
I
us?
have sort of a feeling that we're getting really close to beating the game right now. Cause that's cool. Oh, there's a other kid. There's two. You take one, I'll take the other.
Where's the other? Oh, here it is.
I'll just chop its head off.
I killed it.
Okay. You need skin too, or me?
I don't need to.
I'm gonna need all the skin that I can get right now, so I'm gonna take this. Don't hack at it while I'm cutting.
Sorry, I was trying to take off all its limbs.
Alright, let me just.
Oh, let's go. Wait. Damn, I made it a torso.
Basically full creepy armor. Okay, there's walls, and they're gold, and that's cool.
Do I still have my mask on?
Yeah.
Oh. I have fur and full creepy armor. I don't know. It look like there's like a little poop stain in the bottom
For what?
of like my creepy armor
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
Like
Oh,
it's
we're
brown.
sliding.
With the what is it? With the lighter.
We're sliding with the flashlight. How long is the slide being?
I know.
Oh, we are in the water.
Oh,
I'm
this is getting creepy.
pretty sure we just gotta. I'm gonna try to look, but I have a feeling that we gotta go down.
Wait, what?
No, we don't. We don't have to go down. Yes, we do.
Oh, wait.
Up and down. We don't.
Wait, what is it? Oh, we can
know.
drink it. I'm gonna drink it.
I don't really need to, but I'm going to. Just take that away.
Just one more. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna walk on the sides because I really don't feel like swimming.
Yeah.
'Cause there's
And I don't
some
want to hear
shit-
the splashing. Like,
Yeah,
it's so annoying.
What the fuck this is? Oh, it's a respawn point. Fingers. Wait, I'm just gonna grab a grenade.
Alright.
Explode. Okay, put the fingers down. No,
hear
it's
it.
not! It's not down! I'm just throwing another grenade. Explode, hurry, explode. Okay, now it's down. Okay, where's the knife? Just getting this.
I hear one. I just don't know where it is.
That's not a fingers, that's a two-head.
Oh.
It's gonna be over there. I fucking hear it already. Wait, is there more stuff over here?
Batteries. Oh! Buckshot ammo.
Ooh, let me
Wait,
get that.
buckshot.
Where? Dylan?
Oh.
Explode. Oh, I didn't even notice. There's two cultists. Okay, that's good.
You got it? Alright.
Where is it? Where is it?
What do you mean?
Where's
The
fingers?
buckshot?
Oh, the fingers.
Oh.
I'm gonna skin it. Okay, I got it.
Oh, whoa. What? That's in a weird position.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I have enough to just put it in the I do. Okay, I took my normal armor off. I don't know if there's any. Okay, the flashlight.
Wait, no, don't go. My PC, my keyboard is acting up again.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna look.
No, bro.
What's
I
going
hate this
on?
keyboard. It's only this game that the keyboard doesn't work. I think it's a weird glitch in the. I don't know. It's literally only this game, bro. It's so annoying. I sound like a Nathan, but this game is silly. I'm.
Oh, there's so many entrances and exits to this game.
Yeah, it won't fucking work. I don't. There's nothing I can do.
It's not good.
I'm about to just leave this game,
Do not
honestly.
leave the game. Just found something. Now I'm gonna go back. And I'm gonna wait for you and we're gonna go into the other part. With like all the gold walls covering it. But there's another part over here. So I'm gonna throw a sword over here.
It's like game. Oh my god. Why won't my keyboard work? I moved it a little and it shuts off. I don't. Oh, it's on now. No, what? It just shut. It was on and then it. Yeah. I don't. Oh, it's on and now it's off. Alright, I think it's on. Nope, it's off again.
Well, you should just get your old keyboard back.
No, it's not. I don't know. It's only this game. I don't know why. It worked the whole day and then.
Your settings.
I can't even access it without. Like it makes the noise, but like it's not on. It's so weird. I'm not. Oh my god, bro. What is happening? Is it finally on? No, it's not. It keeps like shutting off and on.
So unplug it and plug it.
I am. I've been doing that for like. Oh my god, I hate this keyboard. It turns on and off. Oh my god. It's on now. No, it keeps shutting off and on. Yeah, Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna probably leave the game. Cause there's like nothing to do.
Alright.
I can't even actually leave the game. I need this to work. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I... Why won't it work? I don't get it. Now it's working.
Okay. Go to the left, out to the cave, and then just go all the way down. I killed the fingers. Oh shit, what the fuck? I'm back in the water, bro. Put me back in the water. Put me back in the water. Hell, is that a
What?
demon? I think I know what that is.
Whoa, oh.
Okay, then get your cross out.
I don't know where you are. I think...
I'm coming back for you.
Oh no. Never mind. I thought I went right, but... There you are. I think, yeah.
Alright, wait one sec. Go back into land real quick. You need to get your cross.
Alright.
Or just go to where you can stand and where you can open your inventory. Get your cross out, because those are demons. And, only way to really kill them, or the best way to kill them, is with the cross.
Alright,
Now just go back. Follow me.
alright. Oh. Do you just drop like that?
Thank you. Yeah, just go under.
Whoa, what are these, like, those gold things? It looks like pipes? I don't know.
Definitely not bites.
Oh no, yeah, they're not pipes.
No, before we continue this, I'm actually going to end this episode here because it's getting a little long. We'll see you in the next part.